In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use focus mode in Microsoft Teams meetings. If you're like most of us, you might find the multitude of faces, presentations, and chat notifications in Microsoft Teams meetings quite overwhelming. Thankfully, Microsoft Teams offers focus mode, a feature designed to help you concentrate better by minimizing these distractions. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is access Microsoft Teams and sign in with your account. Make sure you have all the necessary permissions and access, especially if you're joining a work or educational organization team. This step is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly once you're ready to start. Once you're signed in, look for the video icon, which is often symbolic of the meeting feature. It's usually located in the upper right or prominently in your dashboard. Click this icon to initiate the process of setting up a new meeting. This step allows you to either join an ongoing meeting or start your own where you can fully utilize focus mode. After clicking on the video icon, your next step is to click on Start Meeting. If you've ever set up or joined a video call, this will feel very familiar. Clicking here will take you to a new screen or window where you can configure a few more settings for your meeting, such as choosing whether it's video enabled or audio only. Remember, focus mode is particularly useful in meetings with shared content or presentations, as it helps you hone in on what's being presented. Now, with your meeting up and running, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you should see the View option. Clicking on View will open a small drop-down menu. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it contains different view settings that could enhance your meeting experience, including the one we're interested in today, focus mode. Finally, locate Focus on Content from this drop-down menu and click on it. What you'll notice is a significant shift in your meeting interface. The distractions in your meeting window, such as participant videos, are minimized, giving prominence to the shared content. This setting makes it much easier for you to focus on the presentation materials, documents, or whatever else is being shared by the speaker. And there you have it. This simple yet effective mode can drastically improve your concentration during meetings. Now you can fully engage with the content being presented without unnecessary distractions. Start using this feature today and experience a more productive meeting environment in Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions or want to explore more features, make sure to check out our other videos and like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.